Alright, let's feel the fury now. Yes. Epic. Come on, bring it! How you Jim, can you please explain it? No matter who you are, you just cannot fake it. Living on the edge of reality. If you mess with my friends, you're gonna mess with me. Just roll my home to invade this land. Listen real close so you understand. I'm tougher than leather. We end this together. You're never gonna win. Team prospect forever. Pick up the pace. Let me see what you got. Now keep it real. So this no time to stand my way. Watch me turn to the crowd. Left, right, down. Left, right, down. You got another thing coming if you think I'm. Can you feel the fury? That primal rage. It wants me back every day. This is just no release. Will you feel the fury? Show me what was taken, shaking that has made you this way. Can you feel the fury that has held me back? Stop me from seeing the way, but I won't hold back now. Can you feel the fury? So please just let the feet away that I can honor their name. Someone said I sound like chwaa, so I'm gonna do good fury. That's what I'm doing right now. Yeah. That has no one lots of time thinking drugs. I see through, no need for fronting, you need a map that's the only subject. The truth is all is what you need. Stay steady on your ground with reaction free. No time for the fake, I'm just real. Not to love this real around. The three sides of the tap yourself. You love the sound, you can't get it out. Left, right, down. Left, right, down. If you think this is over, you're wrong. We're just getting to feel the fury, that primal rage. It holds me back every day. This hurt was no relief. Will you feel the fury and show me what was taken, shaken, that has made you this way? Can you feel the fury that has held me back? Stop me from seeing the way, but I won't hold back now. Can you feel the fury? So please just put the feet away that I can honor their names. Find out. Can you feel the fury, that primal rage? It holds me back every day. This earth was no relief. Will you feel the fury?